When I begin these videos, I usually explain what the faction is about. However, this game's single-player story and lore setup is stupid and bad. All you have to know is that NATO had to equip a large number of mobilized personnel in haste, and this is what they were typically seen with. For your top, buy a surplus British MTP smock. You can get great prices on a Grade 2 version from Americana Pipe Dream. Alternatively, anything multicam with a hood will do the job. The brand of my pants are TRU spec in the classic multicam pattern. Just like the MTP SERP, you can go cheaper on your trousers, but I do like TRU spec. Vest-wise, I'm wearing a Tasmanian Mark I with a back plate cover. The one you see in game would likely be a variation of the OCP TAPS vest with a few extra pouches on the front, though anything similar would do fine. I recommend buying surplus British MTP ammo pouches. I have seen some go for as little as $7 on some sites, so order in bulk. If you are trying to recreate the assault class of NATO, avoid plate carriers. I have done a previous video on my battle belt system, so go check that out if you want. Though not something seen in game, I always like to equip my sitting pad on my Tasmanian battle belt. The open dump pouch on your hip is a must for recreating this outfit. Other pouches are up to the wearer. Again, go with MTP SERP pouches. The helmet I found most look like the one used in game is an older Pasget helmet. You could substitute it with the Mish helmet, though I believe the Pasget looks better. The cover I use is a British Mark VII with some scrim, and I added an older night vision mount to the front. According to IMFDB, the starter rifle for both Pax Armada and NATO is the HK433. I suppose any AR-15 variant would do fine, or any other NATO service rifle. For footwear, I am wearing Columbia brand hiking shoes. I suppose any tan boots would go well with this outfit. If some of you know of any good brands, please list them in the comment section. I'm in the market for a good pair of new boots. This kit is light and does what it needs to. The NATO Stormtrooper is a great light infantry gear set and is pretty mobile.